How to fix Telegram too many attempts problem. Hello guys, so on this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix too many attempts problem on Telegram app. So all what you have to do is very simple. So first thing is open the settings on your phone, and then all what you have to do now is go to the apps manager and then go to the apps again right here. Go to Telegram on your phone. This is the app information page. Click on the data usage, make sure that all the data is enabled, and then go back, click on the storage, click on manage space, wait a few seconds, click here on clear local database. Now here you need to click on clear, even though you will lose the data, but it will fix the problem, and that's what we need. So click on clear and that's it. Now reopen Telegram and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.